Alright, hey YouTubers, I just want to show you this really cool, kill I had. Yeah, that guy was waiting, yeah, got him. We ended up winning this round, and we won. But yeah, this kill is just so funny. And, I went ham this round. I'm 5-0 right now, first place. Yeah, we lose this round. Killed that guy. Lose this round. Lost. Alright. This next round, the round after this. Yeah, we lost this round. Alright, here it is, coming up. Alright, just look at this call I had. Like, oh my goodness, come on now. I need to see that guy. Is it this guy? No, it wasn't this guy, was it? No, yeah, it was this guy. Look at that. Yeah, that's just, I thought that was pretty amazing. And I saw that guy. But yeah, that's my cool kill. Watch it one last time. Alright, thanks guys for watching.